Hi, I'm Cody and this is Dakota, and on this week's Ajax Tech Tip video, we're going to be showing you how to install graphics.
Some people fear installing graphics. Different models, shapes, edges of the bike can be really tough, but with a little patience and heat, the job can get done. First step we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of heat and remove our old graphics.
All right, the old graphics left a little bit of residue, so we're going to clean that off with a little bit of contact cleaner or some rubbing alcohol. We're just going to get that cleaned up so we have a clean surface for the graphics to go on. All right, even if you have new plastics, you're going to want to prep them and clean them, because even from the factory, they come with an oily residue on them, and that won't help the new graphics stick. Now that I'm starting with a clean surface, I'm going to take my new graphic, and I'm just going to kind of see where it's going to lay. There's a couple different ways you can do this. You can do this dry, or you can do this with a little bit of applicator fluid. If you do use applicator fluid, a lot of guys like to use a little bit of Dawn dish soap, a couple of drops, and a little spray bottle of water. And when you do that, you're going to want to mist the back of the adhesive and then apply it. And that way, it kind of allows you to adjust where it's going to lay, and then you squeegee that out. This particular brand of throttle jockey graphics, you're going to want to put them on dry. That way, the air is able to escape. And so, when you're ready, you just peel and line them up. I always like to line them up on key places, whether it be an edge or a hole in the shroud, things like that. That way, whenever it lays on there, everything lines up. Now, once you have it kind of laid in place, you're going to want to use something to get the air out and to get it to set down. I like to use a microfiber towel, but you can use a squeegee or a credit card, something like that, or just your thumbs. The nice thing about the towel is it doesn't leave scratches like a squeegee would. Just want to rub outwards, start on the inside, and then just work your way out. That way you don't trap any air in there. And if you're having anywhere that's giving you troubles, like maybe it's bubbling up or leaving a little bit of wrinkle, you can use a little bit of heat later and get that to set down. You kind of can stretch that a little bit, manipulate the vinyl. So once you've got the decals put on, now you're going to want to go ahead and activate the adhesive by using a little bit of heat. So you're going to take the heat gun and press around the edges and get it to stick down real nicely. Now that you've applied your graphics and you've taken heat to activate your adhesive, you may need to watch out for problem areas that are starting to lift up, areas around the shrouds where there's intricate designs in the plastic. You want to go ahead and watch those and make sure they don't come up. If they do come up, you're going to want to add a little bit more heat and just get them to stick down. Graphics can be a little tricky, but I hope your next set is a little easier thanks to this video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.